Are you cold? If you stay down in the water, you'll be warmer.
Stay in the water so you stay warm.
If you sit down in the water, it'll keep you warmer.
Oh gosh, I got a bunch in my throat.
I think she might need to go to the bathroom.
I think she's just cold. Get in the water where you will be warmer. Opie, we don't want to get wet. Opie, why don't you splash the other way so we don't get wet? I don't want to get wet. Get water in your face? Hmm? Opie wants to swim instead of splash. Opie,
Don't kick her right in the face.
Bratty. I'm not liking that. Turn around the other way. Don't splash. Do something else. Play with your dolls and stuff. Don't splash so much. Opie, if I see you splash again, you're going to have a timeout. Don't splash her again. She's, you know, you're just getting too wet. We don't want to get wet out here, and she doesn't like it in her face. You don't like it in your face either.
Can you swim like Hopi's swimming? See how she's laying down in the water? Can you try that? Yeah, good job.
I'm watering the full flowers. I'm pretending like there's full flowers. And I'm watering
She remembers her old swimming pool.
She asked for it.
Where's my other swimming pool with all the shapes?
flowers inside the pool.
Oh, she's still shivering, I think.
She's been in for a while. She couldn't wait.
And that's after the water's set for all day. You know,
Yeah.
some of them like it.
There's not enough sun out here.
You all really don't have much sun out here, do you?
Right in the middle of the day, it's
Yeah.
sunny.
Well, our yard's kind of shady too. So. It's nice though when you're outside and you're not in the pool.
Did you use bug spray? See a mosquito hovering around you. Lost
Come
it.
on, go to Tinkerbell.
What?
Oh, you got the camera in your hand.
I told baby Maggie made you go to Tinkerbell, and she did. I said, "Oh, to Tinkerbell." Go that way, bugs. Bugs. More water flowers to go. More pool flowers to grow. I got them all around the side.
Hopefully, if you'll stay in the water, you'll stay warm.
I'm watering the pool flowers.
Quiet guy.
Go this way. Go
Well,
that way.